Hello, Social Studies Department. Hopefully I have everybody represented here. In addition, Erin and Vanessa. What I'm trying to do is create one calendar where you can make an appointment with Lynn Reed. So it's first come, first serve, and you can tell her who she needs to work with and where that will be, and perhaps a topic. I don't know. But let's see if this works. If it does, I'll share with other departments. So this is the calendar you have access to. You're allowed to make changes to the events. Don't worry about this page here. So when you come to your regular calendar, I'm hung up. Okay. So when you come to your regular calendar over here, you should see SS Department Ed Assistance. It's probably going to be under other calendars, but make sure that that is highlighted. Okay. So when it's highlighted, it shows up like this. I'm going to pick a fresh page over here. So what you can do, you can book a block inside of this first period block. So every single day will have these blocks available. If you don't want to look at it, you just turn it off over here in the corner. But when you're ready to make an appointment with Lynn, turn on that calendar, say to yourself, okay, this is a B day, Thursday the 30th, and I need her second block. If you need her second block, click this little icon here, and it will take you to the appointment page for this calendar. You can even bookmark just this page. So if you do that, or pin it, or bookmark it. That way you can go forwards and see all of these different blocks. So what I did was I designed a half an hour, roughly. I said 8:30. So 8:30 to 9, 9 to 9:30, 9:30 to 10. So they're not exact, but you get the idea, hopefully. If you need the whole block, then schedule the whole block. If you need just at the end, just do that. So let's give an example here. So if I click that first block, it will say 8:30 to 9. My name will show up on the calendar for everyone to see. Lynn will see it. I can put, Bob, Bill, and Ben are going to meet, and I can even say, no notes for quiz, anything like that, just depending, something that she can look back on just to clarify for her. If there's a specific place where you want her to be, that can be listed as well. So once we hit save here, so now when I make sure that this is highlighted and I go to that October 4th date, I can see it right here. So I can click that. It will remind me that Bob, Bill, and Ben are meeting with Lynn, and any notes can go right in here. If for some reason you want to delete this block, just delete it here and it will be gone. You can add a message, but if you'd like to reschedule it, we're hoping that you'll pull it, that you'll do that yourself. So hopefully this works. Let me know your thoughts, or if it's clunky, or how we can make it better. Great, thanks.